So today I'm going to be unboxing my spring FabFitFun box. I already saw everything that I got in the box, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is a very pretty big box. Look at this. Look at this big box. So okay. So I'm not gonna go in any specific order. I'm just gonna take everything out. So the first thing I got comes in this bag, and it is reusable beauty rounds, so you can wash them, and it's 3 pads, and they are very soft. So let me look at the book. The book should say a little bit more information on what I got this month. Okay, I found it. So ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. Okay, so it's just like a, could it be used like a makeup remover? And then you just wash them. That sounds interesting. It's probably like those makeup eraser white cloths. Let's see about those. Next thing I got is this Pro Brush Essentials Kit, and this is the $1 billion brushes, and there are vegan charcoal infused bristles, and there is 6 brushes in this box. So let's see, let's take them all out. Okay, so there's 6 brushes in here. You see, 6 brushes. So there's like a complete face brush set. So next thing I got is this. Before you get the box, you can actually pick some items that you get in the box. So I picked out these coasters. They are like ocean beach inspired coasters. I don't have any in my room, and I have been wanting to buy some coasters because I bring drinks into my room, and I need coasters to put my drinks on them. So yeah, this is what they look like. I believe these are handmade coasters. That's what they look like. These are woven seagrass coasters, and it says place your drinks and cocktails on the seagrass coasters with white cotton stitching. Okay, and then the brushes, let me see what it says about the brushes. Keep track. Oh no, it's not that one. 2B. This set has every brush you'll need to perfect your makeup routine. Okay, next thing comes in this bag, and this drawstring bag inside. So this is the Lark and Ives hair scarf set. So there's 2 scarves in here, and there's a card that says 5 stylish ways to rock our scarves. You can wear them as a headband, a neck piece or neck scarf, on your hand, on your purse, on your wrist, or on your hair. So this is what the scarves look like. I really like this design right here. And the other one is just a plain vanilla color scarf, and they both feel very silky. So let me see what it says about those. Okay, so for these super soft scarves can be wrapped around your ponytail or bun, or you can tie them into your handbag as an accessory. So these retail for $30. The coasters retail for $35, and the brushes retail for $62. Wow. The next thing is this Humankind moisturizing hand scrub, and it has elderflower and raspberry. I was gonna try to smell it, but it's sealed. It smells really good. Okay, let's see what it says about this. 6B. Take extra care of your hands with this scrub that gently removes dead skin cells while leaving the hands soft. Alright, next thing I got, I actually picked this one. Remember I told you that you can pick some items, so I actually picked this bag. It is a Daisy duffel bag by Alice and Olivia. Or it says Alice plus Olivia by Stacy Bendit. So I actually picked this one because I really like daisies, and this handbag was pretty cute, and it's very like a good size for like a little weekend getaway or something like that. I really like this. So, and you could have also picked like the matching hat, but I don't really wear hats, so I didn't get that. 1A, this is tote your essentials in this adorable duffel bag. So there it is right there, and it retails for $150. I wouldn't buy it for $150. No way. The last thing in my box is this tweezers with pouch Summer and Rose. Summer and Rose is the brand, and I'm trying to take them out. This is so cute. It comes with a little case, and the tweezers are really pretty. So let's look at the book. Okay, 5D. Pluck and tweeze those pesky hairs with these stainless steel tweezers, and they retail for $20. So yeah, that's everything in my box. Like, you could have picked if the MAC lipsticks, but they sold out when I went to go pick some stuff that I wanted. But that's, I was also thinking of getting these slippers right here, but I didn't. So I can't wait to see what the next box is going to bring. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.